I was actually just having a conversation with a friend the other day, and we were discussing about love language. Okay. And I just like, whenever I look at you and Zahir together, it's like, I feel like this is what I have thought a relationship should be like, right?
Yeah.
Because you're roasting each other, you're having fun. But I want to ask you, ki, what is that one thing in your relationship? Like every relationship, every couple has that one thing, right?
Yeah.
That's just theirs. क्या है वो आप लोगों के लिए?
There's actually more than one thing, which is why it works so well, and that's why we are together. And honestly, like before I got into this relationship, this is the idea of the relationship in my mind that I always wanted. So I feel like somewhere I manifested it. There's a lot of love, of course. There's a lot of mutual respect. You're always kind of keeping the other person in the highest regard and kind of, not. Like letting them know that you're number one for me every single day without even trying. I think that just makes it really work.
I had met him in 2019, I think, around Notebook.
Yeah,
Around
that's when
Notebook.
it
And I remember how he started the show. He started like, मैं हूँ Zahir और ये है परी और परी परी परी, and then he kept on going.
Yeah. He's got a very infectious energy and he's a lot of fun. So
Yeah. Another aspect that I feel, I think it's such an important part of your life, I'm sure, is female friendships.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
वो कितना जरूरी है आपके लिए?
बहुत ही जरूरी. Not only for me, for everybody. I think जैसे आप अपने female friends के साथ होते हो, you're not with anybody else, and बहुत सारी चीजें उनके साथ जो share होती है, you can't share with anyone else. And I feel they're the ones who kind of really keep you grounded. हमेशा reality check देते रहते हैं, and they are very important to have in anyone's life. Yeah.
And I think that person feels Huma.
Yes, Huma, there's Vidhi, there's Malvika, there's, like quite of Sableen. I have so many friends who I can really, really count on, and they always have my back. And, that like, it's just very important to have that. It's like a safe space, basically.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready for another fun segment?
Always.
Okay, this is called Sona Says.
Okay.
Okay.
That used to be my hashtag.
Yeah.
On Twitter, when I was on Twitter, I used to do Q&A sessions. I used to be like, Sona Says.
Yes, so you're back.
Fab.
So Sona says, what would Sona say to and for the following situations?
Yeah.
Okay. To people who abuse women online.
अपनी माँ से जाके बात कर. Yeah. Like, respect starts at home. And if you can't talk to your mother like that, you shouldn't be speaking to any other woman like that.
Yeah.
You
are on, do you see your YouTube comments? आप देखते हो?
Yes, I do.
Fairly good?
Oh my God, thank you for bringing this up, because it's the least toxic social media platform that I've witnessed, and I left Twitter because it was disgustingly toxic. Instagram is headed that way. YouTube is just so positive.
Yeah.
Like 500 comments, you'll find like 2 people being random, and they're also not like abusive. Like, they're like normal rude. Maybe.
Or like not liking something.
ठीक है, it's their opinion, which is also fine. But like, it's I love the fact that the community is so respectful, and they're actually really nice. So I think that's also another reason why I'm really enjoying it.
Yes. Yeah, because you're right. Social media has become a little...
Yeah, not a little, a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
And especially for women, there's no safety online.
Correct. And there's no regulations. There's no... there's actually no one regulating it. And लोगों को ऐसे लगता है ना कि पूरी छूट मिल गई है. आप जो कहना चाहते हो, आप कह सकते हो. Either I feel social media etiquette needs to be taught, or like the platforms need to have a more strict form of monitoring this.
Absolutely.
Especially for the betterment of like, women online.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, what would Sona say to somebody who body shames others?
Get a life. I just read a quote by Jennifer Lawrence the other day, and I reposted it because it's like, you look how you look. Starving yourself to please someone else is just so dumb. I completely agree with it.
Yeah.
And I did a film called XXL with Huma on this topic. I mean, you're beautiful in every size. I've been every size.
Yeah.
And I've always been confident. I've always been I've only changed if I wanted to change, not because somebody else wanted me to, or if they needed me to conform to a certain way. So I think it's a very, very personal thing for everyone. There are a lot of people who cannot lose weight for health reasons, a lot
Yeah.
of people that should lose weight for health reasons. It's most important to be healthy. It's not about your size or the way you look, it's about how healthy you are. And I've always been an advocate for body positivity, and I will continue to be.
एक आपकी savage line जो कुछ महीने पहले बहुत वायरल हो गई थी कि जब मुझे मोटा होना तो मैं होती हूँ, जब मुझे पतला होना होता तो मैं होती हूँ, आपके बोलने से नहीं होती हूँ।
Exactly, मेरी मर्जी है, मेरी बॉडी है, मतलब आपके बोलने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
Okay.
तो बेटर है बोलना छोड़ दो।
What would Sona say to her female friends?
I love you guys.
Okay. To a guy who says, I like natural girls without makeup.
उसकी प्रेफरेंस होगी यार। ठीक है। I can't tell him anything.
Okay, sure.
If a guy doesn't like girls with makeup, that's completely his choice. ना we say it's her choice, we can say it's his choice.
Fair.
Yeah.
Someone who says, आपने तो शादी में बुलाया ही नहीं हमें।
जी हाँ, क्योंकि नहीं बुलाना था। But I've had people like that come up to me,
हाँ?
and it's so weird. Like, why would you put yourself in that spot? मैं तो बोल देती हूँ, हाँ नहीं हाँ हंस लेती हूँ, but
And they say it एकदम taunt, वो actually taunt होता है वो।
But आपको समझ जाना चाहिए ना, हम इतने क्लोज नहीं हैं।
Close होते तो आप होते।
Exactly.
Okay, someone who asks, और good news कब?
Yeah, a lot of people ask.
I am sure.
Yeah, especially now that I've put on a little weight. मैं खुश हूँ अपने शादी में, guys. Please look it up. Everybody puts on weight in the first year of marriage.
Oh my God, this is terrible.
Firstly, it's very intrusive. It's
हाँ.
And it's nobody's business. And honestly, it's not something you can hide.
हाँ.
जब होगा तो आपको पता चल जाएगा.
और मुझे नहीं समझ आता कि क्या मजा आता है लोगों
Exactly,
को। मतलब
yeah,
अगर किसी और की लाइफ
Yeah.
में जो भी हो रहा है,
Yeah.
आपको क्या मजा आता है?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, someone who is planning to text their ex after 2 drinks. What would you say?
Phone ले लूंगी मैं.
Been there, done that.
What would I say? Or I would help them to draft a गाली वाला message.
मुझे वो याद आ गया।
Either or, depends on the situation.
मुझे जब भी मैं याद आ गया।
Yeah.
Okay, a girl who is romanticizing bare minimum because he made coffee.
Yeah, I don't get that. I want to just shake them up and say, wake up and that you deserve better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, someone who says we can't pay you but आपको exposure मिलेगा.
तो किसी और को expose कर लो आप.
मैं बहुत exposed हूँ.
मैं खुश हूँ.
ये आपको अभी तो of course नहीं मिलता होगा.
No,
शुरुआत में मिला.
I don't think anybody says that to actors, but I feel I know a lot of actors who say that to other people.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it happens, right? Like stylists and
Yeah, you're right.
Because I have friends who are stylists and my sister-in-law is a stylist, so
Correct.
I've heard complaints about a lot of you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.